Hello, we're adding a company from Norway who innovated a rack system, 19-inch and 10-inch, in aluminum and different types of panels. And all is made to fit for the PTS system, Pro Tour system. So say you're at the warehouse and you got this trolley, and this one has come back from an event. So you just take this, place the trolley like this, and then you can just easily slide all the equipment out, take it back, pre-rig, make all the things you like. We're leaving the microphones behind, so because we can't afford them to be lost at the warehouse, so they have their own rails here. And because it consists of different types of aluminum panels, then you can change however and whatever you need. So this one here, for instance, has a shallow equipment, and then you have a inspection hatch for easy access, and a lot of more features and variations.